Hello and welcome to our new program, The Success Brain, how to prime your mind to win at work and in life. So Mahesh, can you tell us a little bit about what is in this new program, The Success Brain?
Um, Thanks, Sean. This particular new course, which we are launching, helps participant create their ideal lifestyles and the mindsets, beliefs, and habits that support um, brain success in achieving their like a dream goals. Ultimately, um, uh, learning how to be successful is a process. So this specially designed course will guide participant in this process, um, and it begins with the development of an effective mindset and finally concludes with a plan for living the best year of their life. So um, you can imagine that this is a self-paced course with like a your personal library of strategies and tools from Steam Executive, and you can create a highly successful version of your brain. And we are we have we have already prepared 36 lessons with 5 modules, and each lesson concludes with a required task by you, and that will help you build momentum from the very first lesson. So it all begins with the mindsets, and learning how to be comfortable with success, because like learn also to deal with the negative beliefs that always stand in your way, and you develop a systematic approach um, to creating and realizing goals. Um, Sometimes we all have a healthy and unhealthy habits, which which can definitely make or break our success journey. So we have put lots of tools, resources, workbooks, affirmations, and it's a we have created a wonderful plan for living the best year you have ever had. So I'll just I'll just give just a helicopter view, like a bullet points highlights um, what what participants learns from this course. Um, Number one, create a mindset that pursues success and it's not afraid of failure. Number two is attack limiting beliefs, attack or tackle limiting beliefs. Number three is eliminating self-limiting thought patterns. Like it's like a hardwired programming. Number four is you can create intentions and goals that match your personal version of success. Um, Number five is defeat negative habits and create new empowering habits. So, and the last one is obviously, as earlier mentioned, that finally you create a plan for living the best year of your life. So, Sean, there can be some questions from the registering for this course by participants. Um, like um, you might have a questions that is there any prerequisite for this course or any requirement. So the good news is there are no prerequisite for this course. It is open to anyone and everyone who have desire to live a more exciting, satisfying, and successful life. um, as your success in this course depends on your ability to put all these provided information into action, because the information is simple, but when understanding of the information is is sufficient enough to put into action, then that is all that matters in the end. So the application of these, all the all the guidelines and insights and like affirmations and whatever you need to complete in the course. Okay. And finally, always people will have a question that what are the benefits I receive from this course. So there are so many benefits, but I can just briefly tell you few. You will create a mindset that is naturally attracted to success. You will come to know your own personal version of the success. So, like, what is really success means for you. You will learn how to create effective goals and how to make them a reality. So, basically, achieving your goals. You will understand how to eliminate negative habits. You will also learn how to install new habits that support your goals. Like you can reach closer to your goals, like a goalpost. And finally, you will have a strategy for putting all the information and resources together and to create the best year you have ever had. So this course is definitely geared towards who really desire to be more successful and create the life of their dreams. Okay, like one of our steam executive slogan for a inspirations or empowerment is making life great. So that is like a ultimate dream goal of every person. So anyone who wants to learn how to be a more effective versions of themselves, and they would definitely benefit greatly from one single course, and that is the success brain. Sean.
So thanks, Mahesh, for outlining all of that about this wonderful new program, the Success Brain, how to prime your mind to win at work and in life. Program of 36 workshops,
Yeah.
self-paced program with extra value in downloads, quizzes and activities to reinforce your success brain.